Hey guys, here Omar with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're gonna walk into this attic. They're having some airflow problems. See how it goes. Carlos up there already, so it's gonna get a little dark up here. You gotta be careful with your head, 'cause there's nails up there. Sometimes you gotta get in here. Get a little dirty. Gotta be careful where you step too, because there's a. So we're up here in the attic, and we're gonna take a look at this ductwork, see what it looks like, and keep you all posted. Okay. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. I'll show you really quick. So that's the unit there. That's the coil, that's the furnace. That's Carlos. That's some duct this way. Duct that way. Some other come this way. All right, thanks guys. See you guys in the next video. 512-448-0532. Okay, AC heating and refrigeration. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.